Try 5 to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door hardtop. Yes, real deal Bel Air VC, beginning of the bin. 350, small block Chevy, power underneath the hood. 4-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes, disc brakes up front. Let's take a look at the bright work. Chrome, grille, of course the hood emblem in gold, matching that grill insert down below. Still pictures, check them out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see the still picture, be able to see the underside, definitely look at the floor pans, true dual exhaust, be able to see the engine bay, the trunk interior. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on newer American racing wheels, radial tires, Hankooks, and there you can see the disc brakes behind. Looks like we have slotted and drilled rotors. Let's take a look down the passenger side. Sorry about a little noise in the background. That is the detail department on the other side, getting cars ready to be pictured and videos done so they can be uploaded to our website. As you can see up and down the passenger side here, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. A couple little spots or just imperfections in the bright work here, but nothing too major. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Interior black and gray two-tone, cloth and vinyl combination. Pretty stock looking dash. We do have a couple aftermarket gauges and stereo mounted below the dash. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. But first, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So we get a look at the chrome and of course the rear emblem. And once again, the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Very close to 100 pictures or so of this car online. Let's take a look down the driver's side. If you're into these Tri-5 Chevys, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them, they are available to purchase online right off our showroom floor. As you can see, driver's side also looks good. Nice shine to the paint. Great mid-50s two-tone color combination, no doubt about that. We're going to start this car up, let you hear it run. We're going to check out the engine bay, and if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Door panels match the interior, of course. Black carpeting looking good. I have not noticed much wear in the seats. No major rips, tears, holes. Headliner looking good. Visors in place. Let's go ahead and fire this one up. Again, small block Chevy power, 350 V8. I have had the aftermarket Kenwood working down here, by the way.
Now that's major.
Nice sounding stereo. Oil pressure. Volts. Both working. Throttle response good. Make sure we're in neutral. Remember, 350s paired with a 4-speed manual. Door closes nicely. Let's take a listen. Sounds good. Let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me make sure I can get this hood open. And remember, stick around to the very end, taking this car for a drive. All right, underside of the hood, let's see what we have here. The 350 did idle down as I was opening the hood. So basically what you're hearing is this pusher fan blowing. aluminum radiator. Looks like we have a newer master brake booster. Again, power steering, power brakes, obviously. It's a Holley 4-barrel on there. You can hardly hear this engine run. Very smooth and quiet. Nice looking engine bay. Slip around to the back since it's idled down. Let's take a listen back here. Little rumble. Sounds good. 1957 real deal Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door hardtop. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. And a little bit hard to find color, I would say. This rose color with a gray and black interior, looking very good. Now, if you're not a huge fan of the huge steering wheels of the 50s, this one has a more normal size, but styled to fit the car very nicely. Our temperature gauge is showing a quarter of the way up the gauge. The fuel gauge is right in the middle at half a tank. We have a Kenwood stereo mounted under the dash. That sounds very good. Oil pressure is 50 psi and volts are 14. That is mounted below the dash next to the radio. Blower motor works on this car, as do the speedometer. Not a lot of other gauges on this car. This is a 4-on-the-floor manual transmission. We have a Hurst T-handle shifter. Manual transmissions, always more fun in my opinion. This car starts and idles very smoothly, very nicely. Corners nicely. Corners as it should for a 57 Chevrolet. Nice acceleration, a good rumble at the back of the car. Really great looking inside and out. I did notice we're missing a pole in the dash, which would probably be where the wipers would have been. Now there are wipers on the car, but the handle I do not see. Great looking carpet, bench seat, up front and in back. Bring the whole family with you. Even though this is a 2-door, there's plenty of room. Nice clutch feel, easy to shift. Definitely want to take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this 1957 Chevy at UniqueClassicCars.com.